Hi Mary, I hear your team has been making great progress on our problem.
Thanks. The team has done a great job. We have been able to find the root cause of our problem and have developed a countermeasure that will eliminate the cause.
Great. Can you walk me through what happened?
Of course. Let's start again with the problem statement, which I've written on your whiteboard. The problem we have focused on is missing information on batch records, resulting in 200 hours per week in QA checking.
Exactly.
We investigated this problem by tracing a large sample of the defects. In each case, we found that the missing information was not related to actually missing a step in the production process. Instead, it was human error. People forgot to transfer the information onto the batch record itself.
Alright, so what's the game plan? Did we identify who specifically made these errors? Are we going to retrain them?
Now you're thinking like a typical manager. No, we didn't take this approach. Instead of focusing on who did this, we focused on why and on what allowed this to happen. And the team came up with a way to prevent this from happening at the source. One of the pillars of Lean is to have quality at the source, and one of the tools that can help with this is mistake proofing or poka-yoke.
Good catch. There I was going back to my old way of thinking. Changing one's thinking isn't easy. I'm beginning to understand why this whole transformation process will take some time.
That's very true. As I mentioned in one of our last meetings, developing our people into problem solvers over time will begin to change the culture. Getting back to this specific problem, our solution is a very simple mistake-proofing approach. We realized that making our batch records electronic is the home run solution. This could easily be error-proofed and completely eliminate the need for later review or checking. But this is a long-term solution. In the short term, our simple solution is use special paper that changes color when information is written. Each user will place the batch record against a camera that will check the color. If information is missing, there will be an audible and visual alert, and the individual will be able to correct the error at the source before it ever goes to the next downstream step.
That's fascinating. What's the plan for implementation?
We're piloting this process in one production line right now, and we're going to let it run for 30 days. Over the 30 days, QA is going to track the number of errors, which should be 0 for this line. If we need to make adjustments, we will. If not, then we will roll it out over 60 days in the entire plant.
Wow. Have you gotten the buy-in from quality and regulatory?
Absolutely. We invited both QA and RA to our team meetings and walked them through the process. They are bought in.
Awesome. Let's make it happen, and then present it to the executive team with some results. I'll talk with them after to see if we can take some bigger steps toward a lean transformation.
Thanks for inviting me to update you. I have great news to share regarding our pilot lean problem-solving project.